Welcome the our channel. Today we how to connect PlayStation VR2 step by step clearly. Start by ensuring you have all the necessary components ready. Unbox your PlayStation VR2 headset and the included accessories. Make sure your PlayStation 5 console is powered on. Locate the USB-C cable that comes with your PlayStation VR2. Connect one end of the USB-C cable to the PlayStation VR2 headset. Take the other end of the USB-C cable and plug it into the front USB port of your PlayStation 5 console. Next, locate the PlayStation VR2 Sense controllers. Insert the supplied batteries into each of the controllers. Pair the controllers by pressing and holding the PlayStation button on each controller until the light starts blinking. On your PlayStation 5, navigate to the Settings menu. Select the Devices option from the Settings. Choose Bluetooth devices from the Devices menu. Look for the VR2 controllers in the available devices list. Select each controller to complete the pairing process. Now, put on the PlayStation VR2 headset. Adjust the straps on the headset for a comfortable fit. Ensure the lenses are properly aligned with your eyes for optimal viewing. Navigate to the PlayStation VR2 setup screen in your PlayStation 5 interface. Follow the on-screen instructions to set up your play area. Set boundaries for your play space for added safety. Once setup is complete, you're ready to dive into virtual reality. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.